Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google's call conversion tracking. So call conversion tracking can be confused for Google Ads because Google has three separate ways to track all your call. So first of all, Google has an option to track call from ads actually. So this will be whenever someone directly call from your ads without going to your website or landing page. So this is called call from ads actually. Like this, a user first click on your Google Ads and then click on call, and after talk with a certain time like 20 second, 30 second or 1 minute, you can select a specific time. After that, Google will count the conversion. And the second one is called Google Ads call from website. So this is actually for whenever someone click on Google Ads and then go to your website, and after that click on a phone number, then talk like the same at specific time like 20 second, 30 second. You can select whatever you want actually. And the third one is called call from mobile website. So that is actually for when user go to your website on clicking Google Ads and then just click on a phone number from your website actually, not actually call. Just if someone click on the phone number, Google will track it as call. So these are the three ways to track call conversions. Okay, so let's check practically how to set up them. Alright, so first of all, you have to go to your Google Ads account to set up call conversion tracking, and then goals, and then conversion summary. To create call conversion, you have to click on create conversion action, and then select phone call lead from here. I'm gonna click on phone call lead, this one actually, yeah. And after that, click on create conversion. As you can see, there is two options. One is call from ads and the second one is call from website visit. So first of all, we will check the first one, call from ads actually. So call from ads means when a user call directly from your ad, not without going to your website or landing page. Okay, I just select it and click on save and continue. And then click on finish. Okay, I'm opening this again. This one actually, call from ads, and I'm gonna click on it and then edit settings. So this is the name of your conversion. You can type your name as you want, then click on save, and okay. And this one, action optimization, primary, secondary. You already know what is primary and secondary conversion. If you want to optimize your campaign on this conversion, then you can select primary. Otherwise, it will be secondary. So for now, I will keep it in secondary, and then conversion value. If you want to track a value for each conversion, then you can select it. Or if you don't, just select don't use a conversion, don't use a value. And then on count section, you can select actually how many you want to count conversion. Like if you select every, so this will work if one person call 5 times, this will count 5 conversion. And then second one is 1. That means it's once per person actually. Whenever if someone call 4 or 5 times to your phone number, but this will still count 1 conversion actually. So for this kind of conversion, we select 1 and then save. And this is the call length actually. So the call length means when someone call your phone number and talk like how many seconds you want to track. So if you want to count conversion when the person will talk with like 20 seconds, then you can select, or you can select whatever you want. And this is click to window and etc. And then I'm going to click on save actually. Yeah, so this will work if you have Google forwarding phone number. Actually, you have to use Google forwarding phone number. And after that, you also have to enable an option from your account settings, which is called call reporting. Actually, you have to, if it's turned off, you just have to turn it on. Yeah, that's all. Otherwise it won't work if it's keep off call reporting. Yeah, so this was a call from ads actually. Yeah, this was a call from ads, and now let's see how to set up call from website. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to create conversion again, create conversion, and then again the phone call lead, create conversion, call from website, and then I will select the first one. Someone calls a phone someone calls a number shown on my website. So this also required Google forwarding phone number. You have to use a Google's forwarding phone number to work with this. So this is you have to type the phone number of your where the users will reach whenever they click on your number. So for example, for now I keep this one actually as test, and you can select country from here. I'll keep United States, and here you have to select the phone number that present on your website, actually that appears on your website. So for example, I'm going to my, right, so this is one of my demo website. As you can see, here is two phone number on the contact page. I'm on the contact page. So let's say I want to track whenever someone call on this phone number, and the call length will be like 20 seconds. Okay, so first of all, we have to insert the phone number here, the phone number appearing on our website. So this one actually, I'm going to input this one here and then use this event, and then edit conversion, edit settings, and from here the same option. If you want to use a conversion value, you can type, otherwise don't use. And same, we will keep one, and then here's the call length. For example, I will be typing 20 seconds for the call length to track a conversion, and then done. And okay, let's skip it and click on save and continue. So here is the conversion I've just created. Okay, so from here we have to insert the tag on GTM, actually on our GTM account, on our GTM container. So first of all, you have to insert GTM container to your website. So I hope you know how to do it. And after that, we will need to set up the Google tag first on our website. We input the NW tag here, and then here will be the initialization all pieces, and then save the tag. Alright, so now we have to input the conversion on Google Tag Manager. So to do this, we have to click on see more option, and then need to copy the conversion level from here. So this is the conversion level for this conversion. I just copied this and then go to GTM and take a new tag for Google's call from website conversion. And on here we have to input the conversion level here that I've just copied, and on there will be a displayed phone number to replace the phone number that appearing on our website. So this is the phone number that appearing on our website. I'm going to keep it here, and then here we have to input the conversion level, sorry, conversion ID. So this is the conversion ID. Yeah, this is a conversion ID without AW, and then I'm going to run this on all pages. Okay, so now let's test it. Alright, to debug call from website conversion, we have to go to preview mode and then paste some extra thing with the landing page URL. So this is the fragment actually we have to use when we try to debug the conversion, and then click on connect. Alright, so as you can see, it's opened in another way to attempt debugging actually. So what we have to do, we have to test forcefully to convert this into a demo phone number, actually Google's demo phone number. So let's try it. Okay, so as you can see, whenever I just click on force, this phone number is replaced into a demo phone number. So that means the conversion is working fine. Yeah, so that's all for call from websites. So now let's see how to set up click on phone number tracking actually. Okay, so this is also on the same way, create conversion, and then click on phone call lead, create, and then call from website visit. And on that, we have to select someone makes a call by clicking a phone number on my website. And then use this event, click on edit settings. You can type the conversion name, a conversion value, conversion count, click through phone number. So this means actually whenever just click on your phone number, this will track. You no need to actual call on the number. If the person just click on the phone number, this will count as conversion. Okay, so now let's click on done, save and continue. And we'll select use Google Tag Manager. So this is the conversion level. We have to set up this conversion as well into Google Ads. So we'll go to Google GTM and then select Google Ads conversion rate. Actually, not Google Ads call from website. We will select this option, Google Ads call from call tracking. Sorry, Google Ads conversion tracking. And from here, we have to input the conversion level and the conversion IDs. This is the conversion ID. Okay, so we will keep this option blank, and after that we have to create a trigger actually. So since we will try to track this phone number actually, let me make a refresh. Okay, this will be close. So for example, I want to track this phone number. When someone will just click on this phone number, then we want to track. So to do that, first we have to, let's just built-in variable. So we will enable the click related built-in variable, click text, click URL, click target, click ID, and click element. So now we will click on preview. And then, okay, so we will close this one, and for example, we want to track this one actually. Whenever someone will just click on this phone number, then we want to track it as conversion. So first we will click on it and then back to Tag Assistant. Sorry, we have to also enable a trigger called all element. All element, and then save. Click on preview. Okay, so for example, we want to track this one actually. Whenever someone click on this phone number, we want to track it as conversion in Google. So let's click on it and then back to Tag Assistant, and then click from here. Yeah, as you can see on the click text, the phone number is showing what we just clicked. So from here, using this one, we will make a trigger condition to file. You may also have to use others option like sometimes click URL, click ID, etc. I also have a dedicated video on how to track click conversion, click tracking actually for GTM. So you can check that video. I will insert the link on the video description box. Okay, so first of all, we let's copy the two phone number and then go back to GTM and then tags. And then Google Ads conversion tracking. So we have to input the conversion ID and conversion level conversion level, and regarding the other option we will keep it black. Then go to trigger plus, and then all element, some click text actually, since we will make condition with click text, and then equals this one actually. So when the click text will equal the phone number, then our event will be fired. Let's keep it like this. Save.
Are you like
No. Let's make the GTM preview and check. Okay, so let's check it. To debug this, what we have to do, we will just need to click on this and see if the event is fired. Yeah, so as you can see, the event is just fired. Google Ads conversion tracking, this one is for phone click. I can ignore this one, unknown tag type. So this is a bug from GTM actually. So this will disappear after a few moments. Yeah, so that's all regarding call conversion tracking for Google Ads.